Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine for those of you guys who are new, and y'all see the bald cap, so y'all already know what that means. We're doing another wig install video, and today's wig is from LUVME Hair. No surprise, y'all know I love LUVME Hair. It's in the name. And I'm going to be installing this cute, sleek bob wig today. I want to say it's like a 16 or 18 inch. All the specs of the wig will be linked in the description box down below for you guys with the direct links. So if you guys do want to check that out, they'll be down there. But y'all, let's get into the scalp. As y'all can see, that parting space, the scalp, the hairline is scalping. You see it. So this wig honestly already came pre-plucked and the knots already came pre-bleached, but I had to do a little bit of extra dextra, so off camera I did do that myself again. But you really didn't need it because LUVME Hair has completely upgraded their quality of their wigs on their hairline, their knots, their hair quality, everything. So if you're a beginner, I definitely suggest trying out a LUVME unit because they already do half the work for you. So as you can see, this wig is nice and sleek, soft, like my fingers are just running through the hair effortlessly. Like, I love these wigs. The quality is just A1, babes. So of course they have an elastic band, which we love because this makes applying the wigs super duper easy, and it makes sure that they're gonna stay in your head. You don't want a wig sliding off, falling off, you know. Even if the lace comes up at the top, like if you don't glue it down, that elastic band is going to make sure that that wig stays secure. So after we put this on our head, y'all would think it would already be installed. Like, look, y'all, I have a full flap of lace in the front of my forehead still. The lace is that see-through. So I just wanted to give you guys a nice close-up of the hairline. Like I said, I did go in and customize it a little bit, but really it was not needed at all. I just wanted to be extra for some reason, but I love it. It's giving natural. It's giving girl on my scalp. It's giving very much not a wig. So now we're just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. I just cut a few flaps, and then I just take an eyebrow razor and shave those lace off in like a zigzag motion. And then once I cut all the lace off, I just want to show you guys how this wig would look parted in the middle. Like, as you can see, the middle's cute. You know, it's giving scalp. It literally looks like it's my hair straightened. But then you can also do a middle part as well because this is a full frontal unit. So you have the ability to party anywhere you would like. So obviously this part is not perfect because I knew I was doing a middle part, but y'all get the idea. Like, look, giving scalp no matter which side it's on. Like, y'all, I kept looking at it because I felt like it looked so good. Like, it was giving like my real hair for real. Anyway, I'm gonna keep saying that, but we going back to the middle part because, you know, I wanted the middle part. Like I said, I already planned on doing the middle part nice and sleek, but I just want to show you guys how nice this hair straightens because you really only need to do like one pass with the flat iron. You really do. This hair is so silky and soft, and the way that it like holds heat, it's just a quick process. Like, honestly, this is like the perfect daily wig, super versatile, and I feel like it's just like a nice easy go look. If you're a low maintenance girl like myself and don't really like, I love getting ready, I love looking cute, but it's like if I can skip some corners to where I can get like the same look but like without all the hassle, I'm gonna do it. So this wig, if you want to like have a nice sleek look but it's very low maintenance, this is your girl. Now I'm just adding a little bump to the ends just because I wanted to like kind of flip in words a little bit. I love when a bob does that. I think that it's so cute. So I'm just bumping the ends a little bit, and as you can see, I'm really not doing many passes over it because it really doesn't need it at all. And like the shine and luster of this hair is so pretty. Like, look at how it just flows the body. It's just giving body yada yada yada. I love this unit so much. Like, I really did not think I was gonna like this unit as much as I do, but I love it. Like, this is definitely going to be my go-to daily wig. It just made me feel so confident, so pretty, and it was just so simple. And y'all, I don't know if y'all noticed, I didn't apply no glue whatsoever at all. I didn't apply a lick of glue, didn't glue it down, and it still looks like it's growing on my scalp. And I also wanted to show you guys the back just so you could kind of see how it looks back there. Very pretty, very natural. It's not giving wig at all. Thank you, Love Me Hair, for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to put a discount code on the screen for you guys and also in the description box if you want to check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.